Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change just one color in Adobe Photoshop. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Photoshop. So here you can see I select an image. So let's suppose I want to change this specific color. So you simply need to go onto the layers and unlock these layers, and after that you need to click on adjustments and click on hue and saturation. Then you simply need to click on this icon and select this color from here. Okay, and after that you need to move this slider. So now you can see that I am changing that particular color. You can change saturation from here. Okay, and now you can see that I am changing that particular color, and if you want you can change brightness and lightness from here as well. So this is the process by which you can change just one color in Adobe Photoshop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.